as designed. Small side stroke plots, residential house designed by Michael Mkaira. This is a 5-bedroomed house, inclusive of a helper's room. It also has a roof terrace, which is accessed from the outside using a spiral stair. But also from the roof terrace, we can access some storage just over the entrance area. But all in all, it's a bungalow house. This was during design. Now we have as built. This is the actual house as was built. This was during construction, and actually here it's complete because you can see the grass here is already grown. The only change is that the compound was shifted from the left hand side to the right hand side.